Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do a review of this 4G smartwatch for kids with SIM card. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, we're going to unbox and do a review of this smartwatch for kids. This is actually already 4G guys, and it also supports the SIM card. So without further ado, let's open this one. Alright guys, so here it is, the box. So it says here 4G LTE Kids Smartwatch. So this is the front of the box. So as you can see, it is very colorful guys. There are some specifications. We have here location, voice chat, dial call, video call, love reward, camera, alarm clock, and pedometer. So this is very nice guys. So especially if you're a parent, so this one can actually track your kids even you're far away from them. So let's open what's inside. Okay, so let's open this one, and here it is. So I actually have here guys in blue. We also have here inside the charger. So this is already magnetic guys, so like that. Okay, and then we have here, I think this is for the SIM card. Okay, like this, and this is the manual. So if you are interested guys, you can actually check the manual for you to set this up. Okay, so now let's look at the watch guys first. The strap, it's made of silicone in front. So we have here like this kind of green, for this is for the call I believe, and on the left we have here the SIM card tray. Okay, this one we will be testing this one out guys, so don't worry. On the right, I think this is for the speaker, and we have here the power on and off button, and we have here like the camera, as you can see here on the upper right. There's no more guys, so we will be turning this one on, and we'll see what this smartwatch can do. Hey guys, we are back, and we have already turned on our watch, and I have already downloaded this application guys. Okay, I will be showing you. This is the Set Tracker 2. So this is the application. All you have to do guys is download this Set Tracker 2. You can actually scan the code. So in the watch we have here QR code, so you can tap on the app code, and after that you will be asked to tap the registration code. So this is the one guys, so don't worry, I will be showing you a tutorial later on about this, on how to connect. So but this one guys is I will be showing you the feature of this watch. I have already tested this one. So okay, upon registering guys, you will have this voice call. So this is application has a contact, so you have here the family members, we have also here the alert center. Okay, and also we also have here the tracking frequency, SOS numbers, you can set that one guys, and then we also have here the feature which is video call, and we also have here the remote photo. So this will actually take the photo of the watch without your kid knowing. So let's say remote photo, so I actually took the picture, so let's say take picture. Okay, so it is said it says saved. So later on you can actually see the one here guys. So this is the picture which was taken by the watch without viewing in the smartwatch. Okay, so The most important thing about this one, guys, is your kid, especially if he or she is outside, then example, if she gets lost or he gets lost, so all she has to do, or all he has to do, is just long press the power button here, and it will automatically call the SOS. So it's now calling, guys. So as you can see, I received the call. So let's say answer. So testing. So both my watch and also the phone, you can hear them pretty well. And another interesting function with this, guys, is the video call. So let's say video call. So it says they're connecting. So see, guys, the function is really nice. Okay, you shouldn't worry, especially for this, because you can use the function in the watch. So okay, guys, again, this is the tracker, so you can check that one here. I have also here, guys, like the view watch SMS. So you can actually send a message to your son or to your daughter. So let's say here, chat, and you can hold to speak, or you can send a message like, where are you, where are you. Okay, so our smartwatch says, where are you? Okay, all right, so this watch, guys, is really perfect, especially if you're worried about your kid. And yeah, and let me just tell you, guys, that this is the watch, and this is the SIM card here. And yes, guys, in the watch, it actually has the video call, contacts, camera, phone dial, okay, chat, QR code, gallery. So in my case, I have this, like my face. And then settings, okay, volume, brightness, sleep, okay, that's the basic function. It has math game, so it's very good also for your kid. Alarm, stopwatch, calculator, and that's it, guys. It's very basic, but it's very useful. You need to have the nano SIM card, okay, and just insert it there. Make sure, guys, that your SIM card has the what you call the load, or the balance, to make a call and receive a call. So, guys, what more can we ask for? This watch is really perfect for parents, especially like me. Like, I'm kind of paranoid about my kids, like where they are. So this is really a perfect present for them, or a perfect gadget for them, especially that in this time, like if they're at school or if they're outdoors, this is really a perfect gadget, guys, for them. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below and let me know, guys, about your thoughts about this watch. And if you're interested, just tap on the link in the description box, and you can get this one, guys, at Shopee at a very reasonable price. Okay, so don't worry, I will be showing you a quick tutorial, separate tutorial on how to connect this watch later on. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, again, just feel free to comment. This is Josh, and I'll see you guys again on our next video.